Ayan po, pupunta po kami ng Central Luzon Conference para sa amin SYL Commissioning. Ayan po yung dalawa, nag-aayos ng botay. Okay, kakaiba po kasi yung botay namin parang ano siya, botay. Yung isa naman nagpapaganda muna kasi nagmamadali kasi kanina sa bahay late na ayan, so ayan po. Nasa Grab po kami. Ito si Mano. Yan, yung aming driver. Kakaiba po kami ngayon. May mga driver po kami. Happy Sabat po. Happy Sabat. Sige, say. Happy Sabat.
Happy Sabat.
Alright. Yan. Ay!
Saan ba ilalagay ang bowtie na to? Ano ba yan?
Hoy, sumabay ka lang sa kanta, ha?
Ano kanta?
Tayo doon.
Fine as faithful.
Ay, alam ko dito.
Attendance daw tayo.
Ito.
lighter and yung candle nyo po. So, ano na lang po sa inyong mga area coordinators po ng candle. Ayan, so, sa lahat po ng mga eco-commission po, kapag wala pa po kayong maker chief, ay lumapit lang po sa inyong area coordinators para i-claim nyo na po kayo ng inyong mga maker chiefs, pati yung candles po.
Yes.
Ayan, thank you.
Huwag na tayo mag-island
Ayan,
hopping.
habang hindi pa tayo
Huwag na
nag-start
tayo
po, pwede
mag-island
tayo
hopping.
mag-picture.
Kaya
Dito
nga,
sa stage,
sabihin,
sa likod po. Ayan,
sabihin natin.
habang hindi pa tayo nag-start.
Hirapan tayo.
Area 2. Area... So siguro, mas sobrang dami ng area 1 yata. Ilan kayo lahat? Ay, feeling ko.
Saan daw? Saan daw?
Oo nga, so, ano na lang natin, ayusin natin yung chair ng 9 daw. 9 na po dyan, wala na pong gagalaw ng ano nyo.
Bilis mo, bilis niyo. Bilis, ang layo, oh, ang layo. Ang layo.
Tayo yung espresso.
Kung espresso nandito.
Use stress yan, use stress.
Yan po sa biyahe.
Ipaisip niya po. Kasi hindi tayo pwede doon. Dumadoy sa PICC. Kung nasa PICC tayo. Dito naman na tayo.
Use stress. Hindi yung hindi ba yung kasama? Si Sir? Si ano?
Ha?
Yan, asawa ni Mamay?
Hindi siya na gano'n.
Hindi siya nag-Israel?
This to be followed by our commission, SYLs from various areas, from area 1 to 5. And church members live with a sense of commitment and purpose. For the light of our program, we turn to the spirit of the senior youth ministry. It is the spirit of adventure, fun, learning, camaraderie, awareness, and awakening. And above all, a spirit of reverence and a spirit of service to God and to men. To give us the description of the SYL, may I call on Diana. Sorry, Diana.
I like the senior youth leader candle. It represents vision, dedicated mentorship, and specialized training in leadership. The SYL embodies commitment to guide younger generations, preparing hands and hearts to lead with integrity, wisdom, and unwavering example of Christian character.
Ambassador Candle, may I call on Suarpat?
I light this ambassador candle. It symbolizes a crucial transitional phase of growth, a deep-rooted identity in Christ, and active partnership in the mission of the church. The spirit of the ambassador is founded on Christ-centered discipleship, meaningful relationships, adventurous faith, and community outreach. As this light is presented to you, may it remind you of your commitment to let your light shine brightly in your generation and faithfully reflect the love of Christ wherever you go.
I light this young adult candle. It represents maturity in service, steadfast stewardship, and a professional or vocational witness in the world. As young adults, our light burning as particular demonstration of Advent message to all the world in our generation, acquiring our local church through active leadership, loyalty, and lifelong dedication to Jesus Christ.
Thank you, May. Let's proceed.
Meeting the spiritual, social, and lifestyle needs of the youth between the age of 16 and 21. The name ambassador itself suggests that they are the representative of the heavenly kingdom. Therefore, the ambassador program gives the youth opportunity to learn, experience, and share the relationship they have with Jesus to the world. To accomplish the club's objective, the ambassador program is based on 7 foundations, each presented into modules, whose focus is based on 4 elements. To read with us these 4 elements, I would like to invite our selected commissioned senior youth leaders.
First, the concept of spiritual companion. This is the element whose concept encourages ambassador to have a friend who is a spiritual companion for the duration of the module. This is in order for the two encourage and support each other in the role and growth as an ambassador. This also builds the concept of interdependence and accountability into the ambassador.
Second, the individual discipleship plan. This is the element which encourages each ambassador as a participant to make a plan on how they would want to grow spiritually and acquire practical competence in the area of the upcoming module. Their spiritual companions will be there to help them accomplish these plans.
Number third, the project is element which help participants to integrate the core concept of the module in serving learning activity focusing on helping others. This also gives opportunity the ambassadors to work together as a whole. The candle now light represent the fourth element which focus on.
Fourth and the last, the social activities. This is the element which focuses on social activities at least once a month. It provides participants with opportunities for good and wholesome fun for their age group.
Mutama, on the behalf of the candidates, I will explain the discipleship module. This module deals with how to help a youth to become disciple and to stay committed to the way of that life. Extensive representation of the psychological aspects of the leadership of youth leadership is given. Growth and nurture, especially group leaders, specializing in the spiritual well-being of their members, will be find resources in this module to accomplish all that may be find whatever they desire, whether in youth, in family situations. The ultimate objective The ultimate objective is to lead other people to the Lord. Lead other people to the Lord and stay committed into His will.
Ma'am, on behalf of the candidates, I will explain the leadership module. This module incorporates aspects of training and actual practice for the activity required for senior leadership and includes both philosophical base and practical practices. Emphasis is placed on qualities of ideal leadership, the psychology of leadership style and functions, and practical matters such as how to chair a committee or business meeting.
Ma'am, on behalf of the candidates, I will explain the outreach, personal ministry, small group, and public evangelism module. This module teaches the ambassadors today on how to grow into a lifestyle of evangelism. It challenges the ambassador on how should they make disciples of others. It seeks to orient building a lifestyle that includes various efforts. Personal ministry, developing your testimony, small group life, and public evangelism. All these elements are connected to the evangelism Christ commanded His disciples to do in Matthew chapter 28, verse 19 to 20.
From BBS.
Ma'am, on behalf of the candidates, I will explain the outdoor, the personality, character, and outdoor adventures. This module covers the basics of human personality, the most important traits of a good character, the relationship of personality, character, and outdoor adventures. And the opportunities for character growth in outdoor adventure pursuits.
Ma'am, on behalf of the candidates, I will explain vocational training module. This module begins with our foundational insights about planning and preparing for success, followed by practical challenges to listen for and learn how to plan in order to be effective in work and in life in general. It teaches through biblical examples how our relationship with others and our aptitude can be ways that God guides our character, calling, vocational considerations. Throughout this module, you will discover that God is calling for a generation to know the difference between temporal and eternal things.
Yung ano niya, yung botay niya na style.
Ma'am, on behalf of the candidates, I will explain the relationship module. This module challenges the followers of Christ to participate in reconciling work of humanity to God. This ultimately begins with God modeling this work, then incorporating His followers to cooperate with Him to restore what is broken. This module covers a wide range of application to one concept, the value of relationship. God demonstrates His relationship relationship to humanity. Humanity seeks to mirror God's relationship to us through forgiveness and openness. There are human relationships that needs to grow on biblical foundation.
Nandun na punta yun. Ha?
Ma'am,
Pinakamaliit.
on behalf of the candidates, I will explain the community outreach device. This module provides strategies for reaching out to our neighbors communities
Malabo yun.
from a ministry philosophy known as Christian Community Development, or CCD. This module teaches us a holistic approach to ministry which engages the spiritual, social, economical, political, cultural, emotional, physical, moral, judicial, educational, and familiar dynamics of an individual and community in order to bring about kingdom transformation. This ministry philosophy of Christian community development works holistically to transform both an individual and community in which they live, so that there is no need to move from the neighborhood.
I am honored to present to you 29 ambassadors ready to be inducted into the ambassador ministry, sir.
On behalf of CNC Youth Department, as a Youth Director, Pastor Marlon, the Director of the Union, we are now accepting the 29 candidates this afternoon. May God bless you.
Yes, on behalf of the Northern Luzon Philippine Union Mission, I am glad to welcome you to our Ambassador Ministry training. So thank you for entering this kind of training. Congratulations.
Okay, to present our young adults, I would like to call from Area 1, young adults 53, please stand. Area 2, young adults 11 candidates, please stand. Area 4, young adult candidates 8, please stand. And Area 5, young adult candidates 32, ayan, please stand also. Pastor Yong Angeles and also Pastor Marlon, I am so happy to present to you after their faithfully completing the 10-hour seminar as prerequisite in the SYL curriculum card. I am so happy to present to you this 104 young adults accepted the calling of the Senior Youth Ministry.
Thank you, Ma'am Chin. We are also delighted with the Central Luzon Conference Youth Department for the presence and dedication of these young adults, 102. Congratulations.
In the union, I am overwhelmed with your number of trainees here at CLC, and I hope and pray to God that your training will pursue and for the remaining curriculum that you will enter, you will pursue it and you will graduate this coming year. And I pray that God will use you mightily in His work. And God bless and welcome to SYL training.
Thank you so much, Rami.
Adlaw Lynn Antoinette D. Banyares Alexander James D. Simaco Leili. Horong Prince Alan Dwayne M. Fernandez Vance Kelly A. Lacambra Chesame.
Sesame. Ambassador. Wednesday ka pa na
Onyes Jedediah. Onyes Mario Grace A. Pantaleon Jasnick Bien. Sherbo John Raven P.
Paano ba yun? Naka-register ba yun?
Inis na inis sa kainin.
Christ in that to which I choose to listen. Honor Christ in the choice of places to which I go. Honor Christ in the choice of associate. Honor Christ in that which I choose to speak. Honor Christ in the care I give my body temple. Because the love of Christ compels me.
And now let us proceed for the lighting of your individual candle. And this to be followed by the dedicatory prayer by Pastor Marlon Ramirez. So mag-start po tayo dito sa harap. Ayan. So pwede pong magsalubong. Sige po. Kayo po dito, kayo po din dito. Magsisindi lang po tayo dito sa SYL. Sige po. Go. Kayo din po, sabay po. Sige po. Pwede din po i-share nyo. Pwede din po. Share. Yan, pwede na po yung next din dito. Tapos i-share nyo na lang po sa katabi nyo. So yung mga nasa aisles, pwede po pumunta dito and then i-share nyo na lang po sa katabi nyo. Nasa aisles.
Share your blessing na lang.
Kapatay ko na.
Make sure po lahat tayo ay lahat yung mga newly commissioned ambassador and SYL lahat po ay may sindinan ng kanilang kandila. Meron na po ba lahat? Mga SYL graduates, check na lang po. So let us know po lahat na okay na. Give us a signal. Okay na po ba?
Yes.
Lieutenant Lulo. Okay, Pastor Fernandez.
Before we proceed to our commitment prayer, dear ambassadors, trainees, and SYL leaders, today you are not simply being recognized, you are being commissioned for a purpose. You have been trained, equipped, and entrusted to lead, to serve, and to inspire the young people around you. As you step into this calling, remember, lead by example, serve with humility, stand firm in your values, and never underestimate the influence of your life. Your words may inspire, but your character will speak even louder. Wherever you are sent, be a light. When challenges come, remain faithful. When others need direction, be willing to lead. And when you have the opportunity to lift someone up, choose to serve. Go forward with courage, compassion, and commitment. You are not only